Okay, we're going to clean the air conditioning system on my BMW E89 Z4. So we have the K2 Kill My Doctor foam spray, and then the air freshener for afterwards as well. And basically what we get in this kit is the air conditioning spray with the there we go, and a nozzle system in there. And then you've got the spray bottle for cleansing later on. I'll show you exactly how these work in a little while. And with this kit, we even got a free air freshener as well. So that's those bits. Now it's recommended that you get a new pollen filter for this one. So here we are. We have the Bosch pollen filter, cabin filter, whatever you want to call it, for the E89. Right, let's go in for a car. Okay, right, we're inside the car now, and now we need to remove the panel underneath the glove box. You've got 3 screws. You can get your screwdriver in. There we go, that's 2 out. I know I've not got one in there, so, but you should have 3. Pull the panel down and pull it out of the car. Now, okay, now working underneath, we have this housing here, which is pollen filter housing. There's a little clip, you can just get to it around the back here, and you want to undo that clip, and then that just pulls down, and move the plastic clip, the plastic holder out of the way, and then your pollen filter just shuffles down from there. You're probably going to have to hoover up after this. There we are, the pollen filter's out, as you can see. It's a little mucky. It's not too bad, it was changed 2 years ago at a service, so not too bad on the whole. Okay, put the key ignition, start the car, put it on, recycle, air conditioning on, down to its lowest position, and open all vents up, and turn the engine off. Okay, get your can and give it a good shake. Get your spray nozzle, attach it to the top of the can, and get your end and place it into the vent as far as it will go. And spray. And slowly bring the nozzle out. Undo that for all your vents on the dash. Oh, a bit twisty, so be careful. Make sure it goes in the hole properly. Here we go. And slowly bring it out again. Stop before it gets there. And then you got your side vents as well. And the same again here as well. A little tricky to get it actually in the hole. It'd be better if I could actually see what I'm doing. That's probably because I switched it off. There we go. And again, and spray and slowly withdraw. Not forgetting your top one. And slowly withdraw. And you've got your windscreen vents as well. If I can get it in there. All the way down. You're going to make a mess of a dash a little bit, and then you've got a cloth hopefully handy. There we go. And now I'm going to go around the passenger side and do that one. Remove a bit of excess, so just before you go around the other side of the car. You don't want too much stuff there sitting around. And then leave it for 15 minutes. Okay, get your base plate, give it a wipe, and then get your new filter. And your filter is going to go inside that slot underneath. Okay, so what we're going to do, get your filter, pull this loom part out of the way and slide it into the opening. Easier said than done. Not easier said than done. Get your base plate. clicks in. Okay, and that's that bit done. And the last piece is to get your under panel back in. A little tricky, you've got to line up the pins. You've got to line everything up. And hopefully that's it in the right place. And then you just got your 3 screws to put in. Well, in my case 2 screws, because I've got one missing. And that's it. Now we're on to the fragrance cleaning. Okay, back in the car. Here. Turn on. Circulate. Aircon on. Fastest position. I'll go through blast other stuff in the meantime. Okay, the video didn't pick this up, so I'll re-show this bit a bit. Here we go. So once you've shaken your can, take your lid off. And what you want to do is clip, I'll give that some focus, clip that down and in so it locks in. So I'll show you this way, and it locks in place. Okay, now it also states to put it on a centre console at the back, behind the front seats. In the back seats, obviously there isn't a back seat in the Z4, so I placed it on the rearmost part of the centre console. So shake it, clip it down, place it, get out of the car, shut the door as soon as possible. Okay, after 15 minutes, back into the car. And nice and cold in here. That smells nice and fresh. Now turn the vents off. And that's it, all done. Now the new now is vacuum all that mess out down there, and the whole job is completed. Thank you.